I'm going to be doing a review on the brand new Too Faced Kissing Jelly glosses that they launched. Jelly glosses are just such a trend right now, and I love how they look, how they make the lips look, and Too Faced launched some really gorgeous colors and flavors that I want to share with you. I'm filming from my brand new couch today. I just got a new couch in my apartment, so I wanted to switch up my filming a little bit, my apartment a little more aesthetic and like me. I'm wearing one already right now, which I will show you guys a quick little tutorial how I like to apply it. I'm going to go through the colors and the flavors. The one I'm wearing right now is Pina Colada, which is this golden shade, goldeny pineapple. Obviously it has a pineapple taste and smell to it. So it does apply with a little bit, I mean, on the lips you can't really see the yellowy, but it does give you a gold kind of glittery look, which I really love for lips. When you have like just lip liner in your natural lip color, add a little bit of like a goldeny fleck type gloss and it just looks amazing. So I am already a fan of this one. I will show you guys at the end of the video how I like to apply it. 5 other shades in these cute little boxes. Next one I have is bubblegum. This is quite a vibrant pink, like very bubblegummy, which smells like a true bubblegum. It definitely has some pink tint to it, and these definitely are more heavy on the shimmer. You can see kind of just with that lighting against my skin tone, it does have pink tint, and you may not be able to really see on camera with the light, but it has quite a bit of shimmer in it. So expect that, kind of what makes it look really glossy and shimmery. That gold fleck, it makes it really look glossy and jelly-ish. That kind of shimmer, those flecks really add to that look and enhance it. Next one I have is raspberry. So that one will be similar, probably. I mean, obviously we have different colors happening here. Raspberry is more of a deep raspberry color. This one doesn't have shimmer. So some of them have shimmer, some don't. This one does not. And that one smells kind of like a very candy-ish raspberry, and it's more, doesn't have tons of tint when applied, but it's more of a almost slightly violet, but you can see there's not tons of pigment and it doesn't have that shimmer in it. So just those are some key differences in selecting colors, but definitely like giving you that jelly plastic, in a good way plastic, coating to the lip that makes it look full and jelly-ish. Next color they have is Sweet Cotton Candy. I think this is such a cool color because it's blue. Like, when do we wear a blue gloss? This does not have any shimmer in it. Smells like a, yeah, like a candy kind of smell. And this is similar to the raspberry one. It doesn't really have tons of pigment, which it's more clear than anything. It's really not really that blue. So applied, that's probably what it's gonna look like. No shimmer, giving that glossy, slicked oil, plasticky kind of look, which we love for the lips. Next shade is Sour Watermelon. I feel like I'm really gonna like this smell. So this one is similar to this bubblegum, but no shimmer, and then obviously it's got more orangey red to it. Sour Watermelon. This has no shimmer in it, and that just smells exactly like watermelon flavor makeup and candy and stuff that you would imagine. Not tons of pigment again, but a little bit. Very light kind of color on the lip, but gorgeous finish. The last color they have is Grape Soda, one of their shimmers, which I do like both. I like the shimmer and I like the non-shimmer, just depending on my mood that day. And this does smell like a grape soda. It doesn't have tons of pigment, you can see, and it is hard to see. You can't really see the shimmer when I do my swatches, but I could just obviously see it and tell you. They give off very similar, same kind of finish, except the shimmer ones just pick up an extra little bit of light. I'm gonna show this Pina Colada one just on my skin, just so you can see. Really not much pigment to it, maybe a teeny bit of yellow, but it's more of a clear gloss with some gold shimmer to it. Take off my lip and then show you guys how I apply this gloss for my look today. My gloss off, I'm gonna reapply it. I always apply lip liner when I apply a gloss. This is the Lawless Cinnamon Lip Liner, which is just a classic pencil lip liner, which I actually prefer. and love to use. I like to fill in the corners a little bit just to add a little bit of depth to the lip. So just a little prepping like that I love. And then I'm going to show you the color I was wearing today. I really love this pina colada one, and the smell or taste is just really nice. So you can see it just kind of, I don't know, I feel like it's so nice on a bare lip with lip liner combo, because your lip shines through, but this has like that jelly look, but the shimmer on it, and you can just see along the lips how much it adds to your lips and just makes them look so full and plump. I love adding this kind of product right on top here as well, because I feel like it lifts the lip and just adds more of a plump look to it. I really love it, and the scents are just very subtle, but it's so much more fun wearing a lip product when you have a nice little smell and scent to it, taste, whatever you want to call it. I really love that. They're cruelty-free, vegan as always, one swipe, sheer candy color and shine, ultra nourishing, natural oils, soften lips, comfortable, non-sticky wear. I mean, I don't think it's sticky. It's definitely comfortable. My hair sometimes has gotten stuck a little bit, but not compared to a lot of glosses that are so thick in texture where it will like hold your lip, like your hair will stay on your lip. This kind of like maybe catches but doesn't stay, and then you end up with like knots and a whole mess. So I really love these jelly lip glosses. I will be taking several of these with me at all times because they're just kind of like a one swipe pumped beautiful lip kind of product, which I love. So I hope you enjoyed my review and mini tutorial today on the new Too Faced Kissing Jelly Glosses. Don't forget to head over to hall_ward on Instagram and follow me over there. Don't forget to like this video down below and follow me here at hall_ward on YouTube as well. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.